guys, happy first day of spring to you. If you're new to my channel, welcome back, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today I'm going to be doing this very fresh springy look. So without further ado, let the games begin, and may your odds ever... Okay, let's just go. So all I've done so far is use my brush and blend in the foundation. You want to use very light brush strokes because again we're going for a very fresh look. So I want a very fresh look, very like, oh, I'm not wearing makeup, but I am wearing makeup, fresh kind of. I'm gonna put on concealer. We're still gonna highlight and contour, but not as much as I usually would. I've noticed cream products always give you a very flawless look. So what I like to do is take my concealer. This is NC45 Studio Finish Concealer by MAC, and just put it on the back of my hand. So to warm it up under the eyes, you don't want to use a lot of concealer. This is just for brightening. So I'm going to just contour with these two darkest shades, and I'm going to use a MAC 133 brush. Just going to mix the two darkest shades and place the product lightly on the perimeter of my head. And I'm going to blend in. Now with this look, I'm using very minimal powder. Take my Laura Mercier. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the dark deepest mineralized skin finish. Why does this still mineralized skin finish in dark deepest? I'm just going to use that to set my face. This is very random, but I'm going to use some edge wax on my brows. Not doing much today at all. Spiked brow pencil, and just basically fill in any areas where I need to. Lightly filling in my brows, nothing too much. I just basically put a little bit of pencil in there, you know, just to zhuzh it up. I'm going to define the bottom just because I'm extra. You don't have to, you can just like leave it like this, but I'm just going to define the bottom a little bit with the same concealer I use under my eyes. Again, setting it with powder. I'm going to use my tinted brow gel. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to use that to add a little bit of dimension to my brow and kind of like brush it up. Sorry guys. I always add my sneezes in there, but I'm going to be using the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne palette, and what I'm going to use is Lime Time. Wow, I'm liking this a lot. Very springy, very springy. Next step, I'm gonna add that green on the lower lash line also, and kind of wing it out a little bit. We're gonna do a little bit of blush. I want to try some liquid blush. I've never done liquid blush in my life, so I'm gonna try it. This is the NARS liquid blush in Hot Tin Roof. Ooh, pretty. Amrezy Highlight. I'm gonna really apply it right here. And of course, my all-time favorite, Gloss Bomb. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. We are done, and that is the final look.